wires. IT pros. How were to pull that off? Oh. Hey, Jeremy, I was just reading your SpiceWorld movie pitch, and I love it. I love it. It's epic, but we might need to scale it back a little bit. Plus, IT needs my help. They're shorthanded this week.
I love that. We can capture that feeling of impending doom.
Yeah, but I'm helping them with actual IT disasters. Just keep it small. You live in LA. You're good at this creative stuff.
But just imagine a slow pan across the server rack. You see smoke filling the air, and then a single defiant tech pointing at the problem.
All right, Jeremy, just text me who you want to be in the movie, and remember, no actual space battles.
Jeff, can you hear me?
Hey, Chelsea, yeah. Sorry, big IT problems, but bigger SpiceWorld movie.
Did you just say movie?
Jeremy wants us to make the SpiceWorld movie, but I'm helping IT out. They're shorthanded this week. Can you help me produce the movie?
Consider it done, Jeff. I could be the casting director. Who are we gonna get for this? We need range, we need emotion, we need drama. I wonder if Spiceworks is available. And
Chelsea, focus. Peter, I'm glad I caught you. Sorry, I'm juggling this IT
Enhancing
outage.
cinematic experiences.
Peter, you made an AI version of yourself? Why?
Efficiency, Jeff. Maybe it can host SpiceWorld 2025.
Peter, nothing crazy. Maybe just a few lines about the state of IT.
Jeff, I'm on a call with support. Big problems. Also, I do not have time to pretend to be a space marine in Gemini's SpiceWorld movie. Wait, I think I just found the issue.
Arthur, what's the issue? Arthur! Ah!
Hey, Jeff, just wanted to check in on the live events that we spoke about.
We want to lock this down by lunch.
Guys, there's a major IT outage and the SpiceWorld movie's falling.
Awesome. Let us know when you have an update. Talk soon.
And just FYI, it's not really my birthday.
Hey, Jeff, man. I heard you're casting for the SpiceWorld movie. I see this as a real opportunity to showcase the transformative power
Ryan, I understand, but
help desk. We just need to get product placement everywhere. Satellites,
I'm
space
losing my
stations.
mind today. Let me call Arthur back. Arthur, what the Hey, Kate. Hey, Nalay.
Is there something you wish to contribute, Jeff?
No, sorry, I clicked on the wrong meeting room.
Jeff, can you look into the email outage issue for us?
Yeah, I'm helping out with that. I'm gonna see myself out. Okay, bye.
Random question. Do you remember that security outage report from 2019?
Tatiana, I'm putting out a lot of fires today.
Thanks.
You know what? I got an idea. Let me go to the SpiceWorld movie Blockbuster archives. There it is, Zombie Hunters. What's up, guys? Weird question. We need IT heroes. Would you be willing to come out of retirement and join the SpiceWorld movie again?
I left the corporate world quite a while back, and I'm pretty happy on this mountain in my 3 coats.
Chris, how about you? I have a great idea. It's called K-pop IT Zombie Hunters. Off. Fair enough.
Jeff, Ryan told me about the SpiceWorld movie. We need to discuss creative direction.
Why are you calling me from vacation? And you talk now?
I used artificial intelligence, my boy. Anyway, for my movie cameo this year, I'm going to need some goats from Eton, some inflammable baby oil, and a jetpack with a flamethrower.
Spiceworks, there's no fire in space. Maybe we can figure out a moonwalk or something.
Grappler, just a minute, I wanted to see.
Guys, please, I'm juggling a lot right now.
Where's the after party going to be this year? Don't leave us hanging.
I know, but...
Ah, it's a secret after party, like at a speakeasy.
Where's that going to be?
Jeff, what
guys,
about
please,
karaoke?
calm down.
Are we going to have karaoke?
Guys.
Gosh, it's gonna be so good. I am so pumped. I am so psyched.
Jeff, glad we caught you. We need to optimize engagement at SpiceWorld.
Could you just shoot an explainer video by the end of the day today?
End of the day?
Thanks.
Jeff, is that you? Have you seen this outage?
Stop, everybody stop! Stop! Everybody's glitching. It means none of this is real. This is an AI. I'm in an AI simulation.
Simulation overload detected. Reboot recommended.
I'm in the system. Okay, what do I do? Need a reboot. AI, I need a prompt. Hello AI? Can you please reboot the system to fix the IT outage, complete the SpiceWorld movie, can I have a new shirt for SpiceWorld, and let's start the show.